And it will change our thoughts, it will change our habits, it will change our character, it will change our personality. Which character do we want to adopt and take from this place? The character of Muhammad sallallahu alayhi wa sallam. He came to this place and he changed the world from this place, Al-Madinah al-Munawwara. After 10 years of hardship and struggles and oppression in Mecca, the Prophet ﷺ came here and the people welcomed him. The people loved him and the people embraced Islam. And the people of Al-Madinah, they are Al-Ansar. They are the ones who gave victory to Islam. So when the Prophet ﷺ arrived in this location that we are in right now, it was all land that was used for palm trees. They were used to take out the dates and dry the dates here. And it used to belong to a land of two of the companions from the Al-Ansar.